So we will talk about okay. Mole concept, right? Gram atomic weight. Gram atomic weight or atomic weight. Atomic weight. Or we have gram molecular weight. Gram molecular weight. Molecular weight. You just see here. Gram molecular weight or molecular weight molecular weight right is equal to what? Is equal to 1 mole. Either gram atomic weight or gram molecular. Gram atomic weight means if we talk about oxygen, the oxygen atom oxygen atom oxygen atom oxygen atom that is 16 gram, right? And if we take oxygen molecule oxygen molecule that is O2, right? You get 32 gram 32 gram, right? That is equal to 1 mole, right? That is equal to 1 mole, and 1 mole is equal to 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms or molecules. You get it? Right? Matlab 16 gram is having 6.022 into 10 की power 23 atoms, and 32 gram of oxygen molecule. When we talk about molecular mass, so 32 gram is equal to 6.022 into 10 की power 23 molecules. Right?
आपको सुबह पढ़ाती है, रात को क्यों पढ़ाती हो?
So you know 32, so 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules has mass is equal to 32 gram. So one molecule is equal to how much? 32 upon 6.0223 into 10 की power 23 gram. You will get the value, right? This is how we can get, and you have already studied that you have studied a gram atomic mass is equal to what? 1 upon 12th of mass of one carbon atom. है ना?
वो कट हुए सिलेबस में नहीं था नाइन्थ में
You understand this? You get this? It is not required. It I done extra, but this much you must remember. मतलब gram atomic weight or atomic weight or gram molecular weight or molecular weight is equal to 1 mole, and 1 mole is having 6.022 into 10 की power 23 atoms or molecules or radicals, whatever it is, right? And at STP, standard temperature and pressure, 1 mole of a substance has volume 22.4 liters. 22.4 liters, right? This is volume at STP. When we talk about standard temperature and pressure, then 1 mole of a substance is having a volume of 22.4 liters, right? Standard temperature क्या होता है? 273 Kelvin और 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एंड जो मास होता और जो हमारा स्टैंडर्ड प्रेशर होता है standard temperature is 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin, right? And so and its pressure is equal to 760 millimeter or 76 centimeter of Hg, mercury. We get this, right? So you understand this? Okay. Should I now? This is called in some books, this much. This is called Avogadro constant. Avogadro constant or number, right? If it is asked, then you have to write this much. Avogadro constant or Avogadro number is this. मतलब 1 mole of a substance is having 6.022 into 10 की power 23 atoms, molecules, radicals, ions, whatever it is, right? Should I come?
Yes.
I told you all these things so many times since you are studying from me from class 8. So I told you all these things. So in spite of in writing, concentrate on understanding the things, right? Otherwise, I will send you this video also, so you can copy it from there itself. But understanding is more important. So first we can say number of moles number of moles N is equal to number of particles number of particles which we called N upon number Avogadro number, right? So this is N is equal to number of particles upon Avogadro number. This is one formula. Another one is mass of weight of substance W is equal to molar mass into number of moles. What is molar mass? Molar mass is atomic mass or molecular mass. We write it, say we can write it with capital M, and this is we write with small n, right? So what do you get? W is equal to capital M is equal to N, right? There is N is equal to capital N upon An, and here N is equal to W upon N. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. On equating, you will get capital N upon An is equal to W upon M. Means number of particles upon Avogadro number is equal to weight upon molar mass. You get this? This formula you should remember, right? So what are the question?
Numerical problems.
Mm-hmm.
Calculate the volume of oxygen.
Should I rub this?
Please.
No preparatory leave you are getting. Okay. So what is
calculate volume of
question number?
1
Okay. Volume of
oxygen at STP.
oxygen at STP. Okay.
Required for the complete combustion of 100 liters
Required for complete combustion. Complete combustion. Combustion of
100 liters of carbon monoxide
100 liter of
carbon monoxide
carbon CO. Volume of oxygen for complete combustion means CO plus O2 is giving you CO2. If you write 2 here, it is 2. This is a gas.
at the same temperature and pressure.
Gas, and this is also a gas. Right? So how much is, so there is 2 liters of 2 liters of carbon monoxide combines with 1 liter of oxygen to give 2 liters of carbon dioxide. Right? So 100 liter, so 100 liter of carbon monoxide, 2 liters of carbon monoxide combines with 1 liter of oxygen to give you 2 liters of carbon dioxide. So 100 liter of carbon monoxide will combine with
1 liter of oxygen.
100 liter of carbon, sorry, 100 liter of carbon monoxide will combine with oxygen, that is 100 into 1 cross multiply divided by 2. It becomes 50. So you need 50 liters of oxygen. What is your answer?
50.
This is question of Gay-Lussac's law, I hope. Anyway, what was Gay-Lussac's law? It is also in your syllabus. Don't turn the page. Do you know or not? Okay. Here are, this is what? Gas. Carbon monoxide is a gas. Oxygen is a gas. That's why I wrote it down here. Gas. And what you are getting? That is a gas. When reactants are gas and product is also a gas, then they are in a simple whole number ratio. What I said?
Products are also gas and
When reactants are gas, reactants are gas and product form is also a gas, then there is simple whole number ratio among them. Among them. Right, this is Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. This question is based on this. Right? Okay. So, what you have done? Can you come to mole concept? You should go, backward. You are going coming. This is okay. Tell me. Should I come?
Yes.
Hmm. Hmm.
Find the number of molecules.
Okay. You tell me the question number, please.
2.
2. Okay. Number of molecules. Find
In 73 gram of HCl.
73 gram of HCl. Okay. 9. Okay. What is the molecular mass? Molecular mass is HCl is 1 plus 35.5. It becomes 36.5 gram. Right? And we know that weight of substance upon molar mass is equal to number of particles upon Avogadro number. Right? So it is 73 upon 36.5 is equal to n into 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23. Right? Molecules. We have to find number of molecules. Right? So there is number of molecules. So how much you get cross multiplied? So number of molecules is equal to 73 into 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 upon 36.5. You get this? So what is your answer? What is your calculation? That is my answer. Huh? 6.0223, okay, divided by 36.5. It is 12.0446.
1.2 into 10 to the power 24.
मैंने क्या बोला?
12.04.
मैंने आपको बोला 12.0446 into 10 raised to the power 23. right? If we bring decimal here, right here, then plus 1 will be here. So it becomes 1.20 into 10 raised to the power 24 molecules. What is your answer?
1.20 10 की power 24 molecules.
Same. Okay. I hope you understand. Use this formula and get the values. Right? Okay, what next? Should I come?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Come to question number 3. There are so many parts na in question number 2. Remaining similarly you can do by your own. So come to question number.
Question number 9.
Which one you are? Ask.
Calculate the weight.
What is question number?
9.
9. Okay, no issue. You don't be scared. Question number 9. हाँ बोलो.
Calculate the weight and mass of
Weight and mass of
an atom of oxygen.
an atom of oxygen,
An atom of hydrogen.
oxygen. हाँ क्या?
An atom of oxygen.
हाँ
An atom of hydrogen.
and
Second part.
an atom of oxygen and second
part. An atom of
an atom of
hydrogen.
hydrogen
Third part. A molecule of ammonia.
molecule of ammonia. Huh?
NH3.
I know that. Ammonia. Molecule of ammonia. This is what? Weight and mass. Huh?
D is 10 raised to the power 22 atom of carbon.
Huh?
D is 10 raised to the power 22 atom of carbon. Calculate the weight and mass.
Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. What is written there?
2.657 into 10 की power minus 23.
I know that. So weight and mass लिखा हुआ है.
Datum.
हाँ?
Next.
हाँ.
Calculate करना.
क्या कैलकुलेट करना है?
Weight and mass.
Okay. You know, 16 gram oxygen atom, 16 gram oxygen is equal to 6.0223 into 10 की power 23 atoms. Right? So, or you can write 6.0 223 into 10 की power 23 atoms is equal to 16 gram, right? So one atom is equal to 16 upon 6.022 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 gram. You get this? So how much it will be? 16 divided by 6.0223. It is 2.65, 2.66 or 2.67?
2.65.
2.65. You get it? Right? So there is mass of an atom is equal to how much? 2.65 into 10 raised to the power minus 23 gram. You get it? This much you have to find. Okay. Should I do?
Yes.
Now,
So hydrogen का
hydrogen atom na. So 1 gram of hydrogen is equal to 6.0223 into 10 की power 23 atoms. So 6.0223 into 10 की power 23 atoms is equal to 1 gram. So 1 atom is equal to 1 upon 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 gram. How much it will be? Give me how much? 1 divided 6.0223. It is 1.6 into 10 की power minus 22.
24.
Check the answer.
1.666 into 10 की power minus 24.
Yeah, it will come when 1 is divided by hydrogen atom ही लिखा है ना, तो 1 gram 6.02, it is coming 0.166 into 10 की power 24. And what about so oxygen is written there?
657 into 10 to the power minus 23.
There was correct. Yeah. So this is we are getting 0.166 into 10 raised to the power minus 23 gram. Right. Now what you do, if you multiply by 10 here and 10 here, this 10 goes up, so it raises minus 1, and this goes up, it becomes 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram. You get it? How I did it? This 10 is multiplied by this, it becomes 1.66, and this goes up, so 10 raised to the power minus 1, minus 23, minus 1 becomes minus 24 gram. That's the logic. Should I write up? Molecular mass of ammonia is molecules is asking, na? The molecular mass of ammonia is how much?
6.
NH3. So N is 14 plus 3, 17 gram. So 17 gram ammonia is equal to 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 molecules here. Right? So, or we can write 6.0223 molecules of ammonia is equal to 17 gram. So one molecule of ammonia is equal to 17 upon 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 gram. How much you get? Seventeen divided by 6.0223. 2.82. So it is 2.82 into 10 raised to the power minus 23 gram. Right? Mass of one molecule of ammonia is 2.882 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. You get this? Okay. What else you want?
N raised to the power 22 atom of carbon. 10 raised to the power 22 atom of carbon.
Yeah.
Calculate mass in weight.
Okay. Should I write up? Question number?
9th, 4th part.
9th, 4th part. Okay. What you are saying?
10 raised to the power 22 atom of carbon.
10 raised to the power 22 atoms of carbon, right? So as you know, (12 gram) of carbon is equal to 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, right? So you can write 6.0223 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms is equal to 12 gram. So 10 raised to the power 22 atoms of carbon is equal to 12 into 10 raised to the power 22 minus 23 upon 6.0223. What I did, this plus 23 I bring it up, right? So when we divide it, so this is in grams, right? So it is how much? 12 divided by 6.0223. It is 1.99 1.9925 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 gram. Right? So क्या होगा ये 0.2 ग्राम लिखा है. तो why you are making face like this? इसमें कुछ करना थोड़ी ना, ये -1 लिखा है ना. So decimal will go on this side, right? Yeah. So it will come, here you write here 10. When you not understand, you do it like this. You write here 10. This 10 minus 10 plus 1 will be cancelled out. When it is divided by 10, then the decimal will go on this side. So this is 0.199 gram, which is approximately 0.2 gram. Get it? Like this. Just to understand the things. Right? You get it? What else?
So the first statement कितना हुआ 10 upon 10 जब into 10.
कहाँ?
जब आपने बोला यहाँ पे 10 into 10.
ना. तो we are doing for our personal calculation. वरना तो वैसे ही देख के बता दूंगा कि ऐसे वैसे देगा. लेकिन sometimes when you get when you get confused, then you do like this. It's not the part of